This is it, folks. How's everybody doing? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Got the MOJO show today. Sweet little Tilray craziness. Show you what's happening with myself, the people I follow within the industry. It's quite a little something. Let me show you what's going on. Welcome to the MOJO show for the people that are tuning in. Old time song, one day at a time. One day at a time, folks. So let me show you what goes on right here in the MOJO Day Trade room. Had quite the morning this morning. So let me scroll up. Everything happened in 30 minutes today again. Quite the day. So I'll show you what went on right here. Okay, so just a couple of things about the industry and trading. I've been trading for 25 years. I've traded a small amount of money. I've traded demo. I've traded a very large amount of money, and I've traded a substantially large amount of trading dollars in my 25-year career as a day trader. So I know when someone gets in the ring, what kind of experience they have, if they're a real trader, a fake trader, a small trader, how they punch, how they move, what they say, what they do, how they act in certain situations. It just makes sense from human nature. So I'm able to get a good read on people if they're Fibonacciing it, as they say, in their terms, or they really are. Look at my video yesterday. I did every trade before it happened. I was pressing in the shares normally as I would a month ago, 2 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I've been doing this every day for 6 years. Virtually the exact same. No deviance, making it through the variance of the years in day trading. And I'm going to show you some other people that really have not fit that particular cusp. Two of them that I watched the videos today will go through. But first, let me show you what I did with Tilray. Can you believe it's up 56 points? Here's what I say about Tilray. I said it yesterday. Why MOJO doesn't short. I think it was right here. I mentioned it again anyway. We'll catch up to it. So Tilray, it's an 8:35 in the morning. I put this up from my iPhone. It was up 226 points, $71 in the pre-market. And if you are long, like my subscribers are, and my people, you're doing amazing. Now, I could show you mine, but you'd say, oh, none of your other subscribers make money. I'm not showing you mine. Who gives a shit about it? I'll show you everyone else that got into Tilray and made money. A lot of people. Like this morning, I got a text from this guy. Today. He's up today at 8:50 a.m. 18:47 this morning. If you want me to post it later, I will. Beautiful. A testimonial would be nice. You're awesome. You're my friend. Nicely done. Thanks for that. That's personal testimonial right on my phone. All my pro traders. This guy's been with me for over 3 years. He's my friend. I helped him yesterday to stay in that stock and own it long with NBEV to go over 3. So here's the scenario. You have a $50,000 account. And on 8/21, Tilray makes a move to 41.75. And you're like, it's come from $17 on the IPO. And I'm going to compare it to Bitcoin. It's exactly pretty much the same. And you short 500 shares. Then it doesn't go in your favor, and you're like, damn, I'm down 100%. I got to lick my wounds, and I got a little bit of debt. You have like no money left, so you go on super margin, and now you're long 1,000 shares. You're short 1,000 shares at 69 average. It opens up today at 230. So you only had 50,000. You're down $180,000 loss. You're negative 180,000, and you have to deposit into your account, and they sell your 1,000 shares. They buy you in at 230, and this is why Mojo doesn't short or teach anything about shorting stocks. Like I got an email from this one guy, William. Let me show you my email. This is the notorious shorter that he doesn't learn his lesson. I'm in every single newsletter in the business. William short 280,000 shares of something. QTT, I think the symbol was. Where was it? I deleted it. He was short 280,000 shares of this stock. Did it go down? QTT, no. It went down a little bit right here, but I don't remember where he shorted it. It could have been, yeah, he hasn't made any money. Anyway, if this stock goes above this 10.15 and he gets stuck like Tilray did right here, above 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So it's quite bad. You'd owe and be negative. You'd start with 50,000. All that money would be gone, and you'd owe $180,000 on that trade. That's why you don't short. Don't teach shorting. It's way too risky. The risk versus the reward is upside down crazy. Okay? I keep everyone out of harm's way. Tilray, doing amazing. See, and this is what I showed you, my pro trader, staying long NBEV. See, NBEV doing good to $3. Told you to stay in NBEV right there. Look at NBEV. Right now, NBEV is $4.09. And you could see, I told him right there, NBEV, good for $3, right there, see? Go for it for Heinz, $3, NBEV, today at 8:50 a.m. See, that's the NBEV right there. So, and then I'm also got this Aurora Cannabis, ACBBF, right here down in the up a couple dollars on ACB Aurora Cannabis. We've got a couple of new ones. XXII is a new one, looking to make a move above this $2.98 into $3 over the next several days. Ballard Power right here. We're already in this and looking for it to make a continued move higher. I think as long as you keep it above 410, the stock is good to go. Could go to $5, $6, $7 on Ballard Power. And these are the kind of moves that we've been making in the MOJO Day Trade room. Then right here, Pro Trader Metal. This is the guy that made that. It says, I'm about to complete Mojo U for the 7th time. I'm going to put this as a testimonial right here. And I'll put it in the testimonials tab right here. See, I'm about to complete Mojo U for the 7th time. I knew I shouldn't have clicked on that. Oh, I have it. Here we go. All right, I'll go right here. I'm about to complete Mojo U for the 7th time. Mojo University online class. Pro Trader Mike's methods are incredibly accurate and becoming part of my thinking every time I look at a stock. Thanks to him, I'm learning to be patient and wait for the proper setups. Yesterday, I made over $400, and today I made $1,847. Also, Pro Trader Gerardo and Pro Trader Allen have been amazingly helpful to me along the way. That's the kind of room you want to be in. And Neo right here to go through 820. You could see Neo right here to my face right here to the right. It's at 880 right now. We took Neo straight up from 820. Actually, 770 was Neo. We took Neo a little bit lower right here. Neo right here. This is where we bought Neo off the dip. Down in here, see the smile? Right off this little down dip into the first bar. And you could see from here, let me go to Neo. From this dip right here on the first bar, right there, from 790 where we bought it, it went straight up to 9. And there's the buy right there, below 8. Think we see 847. Think we see 9. TLRY, one of the pro trade proof right here, folks. Look, you don't need to see anything from. These are all the pro traders. Been here. He's been with me for years. One of my major friends and players in the room, and he will be here where we trade together every day. We're partners. That's it. I just brought the group together. Tilray is the monster stock of the year, and yes, anyone could have invested in Apple's IPO at the split-adjusted price of 33 and ridden the company to a mind-blowing return of more than 55,000%. He owns Tilray at $27. Pro Trader Enter It, did you sell all of your shares? Family members have made thousands of dollars sharing the love. No, I have 375 in my IRA, 200 in my day trading, sold 25 of the 200. He owns it at 27. It's 227. Look, Tilray, 221. He owns it at 20. He's up on 200 shares. Do the math. 200 shares times 200 points in a couple of days. $40,000 thanks to the MOJ and him working with the MOJ. There you go. Patience. Have a great rest of the day. Later, he's on the golf course right now. Jim 645. Took a hit on Neo, though, no problem, but still made 645. Crone, new high. We're in Crone to go through 12. Crone right now is $13.80, ran to $15. My Crone pick in the MOJO Day Trade room. Okay. NBEV heading into 3, new high 280. Crone now 1190. Mike is the black. He's like the Black Panther from Wakanda. That's Elon. This was yesterday. Wow. Yeah, but I want that. That's good that I showed you. His 52.80 in the IRA, 72.44. His younger brother made over $25,000. Older brother made over a little over $8,000. He's not selling anything. That's the way we do it. See, and the people that would have been short would have lost all their money. Instead, he quadrupled and tripled his money. And I did some news on Tilray. A lot of news on what it is and what it does. If you want to know what it does, let me show you right here. The various medical products you can get from Tilray. A lot of THC and a lot of CBD. THC is causes the munchies, and the other one reduces seizures and holds down the promise of the medical capacity. Unbelievable. Then you have Crone, why Cronus sword is the other one. Why Cronus went today and sword. This is my news from yesterday at 10 o'clock last night. Cronus, Canadian marijuana grower, getting a boost from Tilray, approval for supply of medical cannabis. Cronus. And then right here, some more good news. And then we came into this morning. Let me show you. NBev, here's my pick off my watch list from $1.75. NBev is $4 right now. Found another service right here called AI bot arbitrage. You make 0.7% every single day. Hasn't lost on one trade. I'm making one with my Heinz sequence roll, but $3,000, you make $882.35.29 a month. Make $27,000 in profits since July arbitraging crypto. I don't think my screen share is not on because I'm doing the Mojo show right now. And then I said, what is this? Anybody know what that is? That's Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. Did you know that? Let me show you. A lot of good weed. That's a lot of good purple weed right there. A lot of perp mattresses. Look at the fans in the background. See the fans? Just like the mining farm. Growing, mining, and selling. Growing, mining, and selling. So I got NBev 5,000 and UV 5,000. NBev at 319, made a good amount of money on NBev right there. It's 419, now been to 463 high. I think I saw it one time. Let me look. NBev, 425 high. Another one was 63. Neo, nope. Something was 63. Anyway, I just remembered that number. And then you have Ballad Power. We're making a move from 415s in the 20s now. Ballad Power. Neo, here's the move on Neo. We're buying right here at 790 on Neo. Neo right there, and got 4,000 UV. Neo goes 97. Neo blows through 8 on the open. Got 20,000 Neo at 795. I'm up 2,800 live with the team. Called it out. It's the normal position that I do. Now, let me explain something. I'm up 2,800. When I first bought it right here, I was down a couple of dollars. Listen, if I would have made a keystroke and doubled my shares to 40,000, I would have been freaking out. Got too many damn shares, man. My hands would have gotten sweaty as can be. I would have, as soon as it came back up, got out of my mistake and been like, holy crap, thank gosh it didn't go lower on those shares, because at any point, if it got near there, I would gotten so nervous, I would lose 2 days worth of profits on one bad keystroke. So instead of maybe like selling it, I bought it by accident and doubled my shares. Now, that's very accurate. There's a video I'm going to show you of one of the other traders that did that exact same thing. I've been following this trader since he started, and he's a small beginning trader, always very nervous with a couple of $100. All of a sudden, he's in 7,000 shares of a certain dollar stock, pressing the wrong keys, and like it's nothing. Watch me make $3 grand. Dude, that's not real. We've been following you for a long time, and I'll show you the video. So INO goes to 801, and right there I reduced half the position. 20,000 right down to 10. I just locked in some profits. And I'm on the microphone right now telling the room as they see my screen live in real time. Before the other video I'm going to show you is, because I'm making these live videos, my competitors are going to make a live video too. But here's what they did. This trade I got in right here where I didn't have any shares. 0. I said, we're going to buy some right now. And we bought. And I'm going to add NEO. See, we're going to add more. So you're seeing me build the position. Then you see me in the position. Then you see me sell half the position. The other guy I'm going to show you sparks his video on to show you that he's showing his customers his screen, and he's already up $3 grand. So I would be showing it to you at this point. Oh, look, I got 20,000 shares and I'm up $2,800. Watch me go. There's no risk in that. That's fugazi. This is what's out there that everyone's in, and not that many people are getting the real deal Holyfield. Okay? It just is what it is. So I could have came on and made a live video saying, look, 20,000 NEO, I'm long, my room is the best and my picks are the best, I'm up 2,800, now I'm up more. Now NEO, I made 1,720, made 5,270 for the day. Thanks, I'm done. Amazing, I am. And there's a difference between showing it when you're already in it or showing it before. And cha-ching, and we're killing it. And that's what we did with NEO. NEO we bought with NBEV right here off the bottom. That was NBEV. Right off here, NBEV bought, sold, beautiful. This is NEO, bought, sold, beautiful. This is Tilray, bought, sold over 210, made a 175 to 210 move right off stopping station. Made money on a small account, 250. He made 1,847. So fucking sick is the MOJO strategy. I said, wow. On ACBBF, that means it's going to go higher from 927. Let's get in it for the wow trade play. And the stock goes 930, 934, and continues up to 963. This is the one that went there. Look. AC, oh, it went to 70. I thought it went to 63. But it did right there in that little top bar right there. Damn, I thought it was 63. Maybe this bar was 63. 968. 963 right there. I knew one of them had the 963. So I looked at it once. So, and that was that one. Then we bought JNUG right here through $8. JNUG made a beautiful move through 8. There's the buy and there's the sell. Called out in the MOJO room. NEO new high of the day. Wow is in effect perfectly. Here's ACBBF at 940 now, 941. Rail grinding NEO right now at 828, heading up into 850 and into 9. NEO is at 840. NBEV at 355 moving higher, ACBBF through 950. There's the circle. It goes 954, 955, 957, 960. Sold it up right there. Here's JNUG selling up into this 812 move on JNUG. Just making a lot of money for the Mojo room. Here's what we made. Here's what I made today, right here. NBEV 2500, NEO 1720. UV 910, JNUG 140, and Ballard even. Then how's that? That's what we did. ACBBF at 966 by 967. We're team awesome. Jim made 855. Rhodesy made 345. And this is where Bitcoin is just like Tilray. So Tilray was right here where Bitcoin was at $500 a coin. Then Bitcoin went to 2,000, 8,000, 14,000, which is 140, and then 20,000. The same move that Bitcoin made, Tilray just made. This is the next move in Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes 20,000, see it? 80,000, 140,000, 200,000. And it can go just like that. Better ask somebody, people. When institutional big money goes into something and must have it that they can't have relentlessly, that's what happens. What does the big money have that they can't now? Is they've got a lot of money, but they can't get the Bitcoin due to the regulation. It's like kids in line at Disneyland. Open up that ride, baby. I'm 5'2". It's got to be 5'3". In about a month, I'll be right up there. You'll pass the regulation. Boom. Let the kids into the ride. Here's the next ride of Bitcoin. 20,000, 80,000, 140,000, 200,000. Just like that in the period of August 15th to September 15th. 1 month. Bitcoin, can you imagine it at 200,000? That's right, boys. That's why I believe big into the cryptocurrency. Let me give you an example. See the cell phone? When someone invented the cell phone, it really wasn't worth a lot because there was only one cell phone. It's worthless. It's worthless. Who am I going to call? There's no one else that has it. It doesn't do me any good. Now, I give one to my buddy, and I call him, and he's like, dude, I didn't have to run over to your house, and I called you on the phone? Wow. That was amazingly easy, cool, saved me time, money, faster, cheaper, decentralized. Let me get one of those and give that to actually, I'll sell it to my buddy for $5. You give it to me for $2. Done. Then the other guy got the phone. And another guy got the phone. Now my phone is worth nice because a bunch of other people have phones and it's being adopted. Now look how many people have cell phones. Do you know how the cell phone works? See all those apps? YouTube owns that app. Skype, Twitter, Apple, they're centralized. They're called apps. But the blockchain in the future is going to be built on what's called dApps with a capital D. It's a decentralized app that YouTube doesn't own it. There's a content creation blockchain that enables the people to upload their content, have it viewed, and they can get paid from it. What do they need YouTube for? That's controlled by Google and the central authorities that sell their content and their data and do all that. What a lot of people do is they sell data and content, like Robinhood. You know why Robinhood's for free? Because they sell your orders to Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Ameritrade, all these other trading desks. They take all the orders and they send them right over there electronically in a nanosecond and let them execute your order. They sell your orders. They make a lot of money. A lot of money. They're like a broker. They're a trade broker. Like I'm going to be a hash broker. I'm going to collect everyone's hash rate and I'm going to resell it just like they do. It's my new thing that I'm developing. It's a new SIC crypto vertical for the code. That's what I'm doing. I'm thinking of things no one else does. A lot of hype going on in them stocks. So I got a new one. XXII is a tobacco cessation stock right here. Get rid of the tobacco and start smoking the weed. Here's NBEV going through 4. NBEV through 4. I just got to delete this. I was doing a rant before. Thinking about charging for the pick instead of having the room. I just give out the pick and you pay me in Ethereum for it. I was going to do that. It doesn't matter. I just want $100 for my picks no matter what. I may think about doing that. And get up a new system that I announce the pick. I give you my Ethereum wallet address. I get $100. I guarantee you the win. I give you 3 to 5 a day. I was just going through a rant right here. I'd make a lot of money each day from giving out my picks. Just like a book, you know, just like a sports guy does. You call him on the phone, you give him $50, $100, and he gives you a pick. But you're not guaranteed to win it. I win at least on all my picks. I can guarantee the win. System would be deposit $100 of Ethereum for every pick you want. It's guaranteed to win. So if you want 1 pick a day, send me 100. You want 3 picks, it's 300. They'll all make a minimum of 100. You got to do 1,000 shares, a minimum of each trade. May do it. And then right here, we go into the rest of the day right here. And we have NEO at 860 heading into 9. NEO 870 and XXII making a move. This is a tobacco company right here. It's a develops products focused on reducing tobacco harm and smoking cessation. Average volume 1.8 million, nice decent growth. 4 good quarters, 4.5 million, 5.9 million, 6.1 million, and 6.9 million in revenues. 4 beautiful quarters of increases, about 133 percent increase. Got a nice cup and handle right here, heading up into the $3, then the $4 range. Risk 15 cents versus reward 80 cents. And Tilray compared to Bitcoin, I showed you that. So let's head over to YouTube. And I'll show you the video of the first guy that's bullshitting. Sorry, Patrick. I gotta throw you under the bus, dude. $2,600 before 10 a.m. He's a fucking cowboy. Okay, look at all his videos. Okay, this guy back here in the day, you know, I've been watching him for a long time. He doesn't buy big shares. Big shares is, you know, 1,000, 2,000. You know, look, 250 he made, you know, that's on a big trade. He making 250. I always been watching him. He's a small guy. I've sent him some comments. I like his videos, like when he goes on his boat and he does some cool things. And I've been watching him for a long time. He loses 333. He makes 150. You know, he's a small trail, up $200 profit, and he really gets down and dirty and into how he made and cared about a $200 profit. Real sincere, and I liked it. I know he's trading real money because it's small. $300 profit, $100 a day. That's all he wants to make. You know, and I know what kind of boat he's got. I know where he lives. I see the videos. His neighbor's got the big. He just want, you know, get a new fishing rod or something big. I know how. Like watching him develop. I'm watching him grow. Okay. Made a $500 profit. It's huge, dude. Huge. $160 profit. Big, you know. I'm back in the red, 3 for 3. You know, he's the struggles and stuff. I think he may be in my room. But let me just show you the video. He's been trading the same stocks that I have in the last couple of weeks. So all of a sudden, in the last couple of days, he's got big dollar wins. All of a sudden, 1,200 out of nowhere. And he shows his screen. And look at the size he takes in today's video.
Day trading this morning, making a little bit of money this morning.
Sorry, dude.
It was okay. I made a little bit of money today. Had a pretty soft.
It's an edited video. It's not live. This video has been made, edited, and then uploaded. Not live like my. So you could see there's skips in the video where he'll talk, then it'll stop, and he'll change and at a different face direction and angle, and the subject will change.
Solid trade. I talked about it pre-market, what I was going to do. I broke down my entry, my exit, and all that fun stuff. In this video, I'm going to talk about that. Also, TLRY, it's all over the place. My companies weren't that big.
See how he just edited the video right there?
Entry, my exit, and all that fun stuff. In this video, I'm going to talk about that. Also, TLRY, it's all over the place.
See, he edited the video right there.
Things weren't that big today. I was not trying to play TLRY. I wanted to. I kept looking at it, and I was like, this.
See, he edited the video there again.
It was right there. It was right there looking at me. It was laughing at me. It was staring at me. It kept telling me, Patrick, buy. And I kept telling myself, don't give in. Don't give in. Show you guys the trick.
See, edited the video again right there.
And all this crazy action today. So make sure you stay tuned. Looking here at MTEM, the stock is up on news of a partnership. I don't think it's that big of a deal.
So watch how the mistake he makes. He presses the wrong button, and instead of selling, he buys. Wow.
Deal here. So I'm looking for 638 right now, up there to 204. You can't explain this stock at this point. Also, you might notice that my late montage, so you can see where my mouse is up here. I was basically looking up here. So now I pulled the time of sales down a level 2 here. Time of sales, seeing all that action right in that area. Where it's all going down. On MTEM.
All right, here's his trade. He's short. His first trade.
Push there. See if this thing can't push up there towards that 660. Look for some more opportunities short there.
He's unrealized 10. And you could see he's showing his thing right now. And in the edited video, when he's in the big trade and he makes the mistakes, it's covered. I notice things.
Here, get up there, 635 area.
He's shorting this stock right here, MTEM. First trade of the day.
More short there.
So that's 1,000 shares at 630. Right in one, boom.
Get some more fill there, 6.
So now he's short 2,000 shares of a $6 stock. He's up 175.
40. There was a pull down there below $6. Let's get down to the low 6s one more time. We'll take some profit there. For a little bit lower.
So he's up $412. Nice trade.
Here. I'm going to get covered there.
He made $648. He's just going to get covered. If he made that, he would be like, you know, wouldn't have that many shares of that stock because he couldn't risk to lose that much. So that was a big position.
That drop, beautiful, beautiful, baby.
Beautiful, baby.
There it is. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy, baby. Come on. That was too easy. That was too easy. I feel like sometimes it's just too easy. It's just too easy. Too easy. Somebody give it to me.
He just edited the video again.
Look at this. Just how easy that was. Look at TLRY. This is a madness. Look at this drop.
Watch the next trade.
Should I buy the dip here? I should probably buy the dip, right? Buy the dip.
No.
Buy the dip. If this pops back above 200, I'll buy it.
It is. It's going to go right above 200. It's going to go to 224.
Down there to 180. Oh, come on. Back above 200 there. Back. Oh, it's pushing. It's trying to push.
It is.
$648 there on MTM. Not bad.
And he just looks for the first time at $648. So, and he edited the video.
Hey,
but that's not what I'm talking about.
$30, and then here,
let's get to the next trade.
This is making for some great, since they're at $6, all the way down there to 4, and then gapping back up there above $6. So looking at the daily chart here, look for news that's going to move the stock in pre-market and make a big move. Obviously, it made a big move with the 550, come back up here and not making it. Imagine having the cuff big and you shorted down there below 6. Beautiful, beautiful. OV.
Let's get to your next trade.
What was I doing? I'm shorting into that. Where is my stop fit? When it pulls back to the next piece there, more short structure to the dip.
Here it is. Okay, watch.
They're up to $6. That would have been a nice little.
So the first trade was big. 1,947 shares. He was short. I remember the number. I'm right on the money. I'll bet anybody about that. Bet nobody remembered what that number was. And he's long 2,500 now at 678. Okay?
I'm about to wrap this video up, and I saw an opportunity here.
Look. See the unrealized? It's covered. Right now, he's up nothing. It's at 678.
Here on MTEM. Let's see if this can push back above $7. I got 2,500 shares there at 678 on this little bit of a dip. Looking for this to push back above $7 here. I can do that 690 area. The 690 area holding down right now. We can get above 690 and get this to push.
Look, it just went to 656. And he went to 3,890 shares. 3890 at 672. Okay, 672. It just traded at 656. Minus 656 is 16 cents. That's why it's covered, because it's big and red now, times 38.90. He's down $622.40.
I'm going to add some more.
He's going to add more. This is where I know it's not real. He has 4,000 shares of a 7.28 grand. He does not have that big of an account. Never did. So it's a demo. Demo, you got 100 grand. He's got 100 grand in buying power. That's why all these windows are covered. And he's covering up that.
More in this dip right there.
Okay, if this stock right now, see it? If this stock goes down and matches the triangle of this bar right here, and it goes down and flushes right here, down to $6, 625 area, he's down 50 cents. He's down 2 grand. There's a risk right now in this trade where if it goes bad luck for him, he's down $2,000 like that. And it will happen in a second. It's trading huge volume.
Down there to the 650s.
Okay? Now he presses the wrong button and doubles his position. Watch.
I think we can hold the 650 area push up there above $7.
Go ahead, big shot.
Look at that push up there above $7. 5 minute chart looking nice there. Let's see if we get.
So he was just down. Now he's even.
This little squeeze. Get above 690, see a little squeeze there above $7. Should be pretty quick. Up there to 6.
He just edited the video again.
99, 69 big seller sitting there. I think we're a little bit more here.
Okay. So now it went all the way to 699. He was happy with $200. It just dumped. It was just at like $7. He's up 30 cents. He's up $1,200. And he doesn't sell it. Doesn't make sense. And it dumps. And it dumps. So instead he missed the sell where it just was right here at 7. See? He's profitable. It dumped. He's profitable. He should be selling it right now. It goes 685. He should be selling right now. And it goes 695. He edited the video. Right there, he's up big. Look, 695, 697. It's trade. He should be. Instead, he doesn't. 699, 699, and then look, it just turns and dumps.
For a little bit more here.
Look, dumps down to, and it looked like he edited it there again because it went from 680 to 660 all of a sudden.
Squeeze there about $7.
685, 680. See, it went 695.
699.
92.
69 big sellers sitting there.
89, 89, 89, 85, and then it dumps. Look, it doesn't show. It went to 57. There's a 57 here. See, he edited the video. Right here is 57. This is 657, 63, 62. So he missed the sell right here. He still has the shares. Now he's down 20 cents. He's down 800. Okay? Watch, he makes a mistake now.
1,000 here. 670. I think we can push. Reverse a push above 690 one more time. 690.
Yeah, he's a little nervous.
We'll take profit. Push up there towards 7 one more time. A little bit of spread right now. Looking for. Hit my hockey to.
See? He just increased his shares and bought 3,000 more. It's fake. Right there. That means he's got now 42,000 in buying power used. Doesn't have that. It's a demo. He made a mistake and it showed right there. By pressing the wrong key, he said to sell instead of to buy.
Buy instead of sell there. Whoopsies.
$42,000. It's whoopsies. Dude. So, whoopsies. Just money. Whoopsies.
No, I definitely need to get out of it.
Need to get out of it, definitely. If this thing goes down again to 50, it's at 70, he'll be down over $1,200 immediately. He was just up $1,200 before. He missed that sell right there at 7.
Getting real tight here. Looking like it wants to push. It wants to push. You can see the buyer sitting up there at 670 area, looking like it really wants to go here. Let's just see if it's going to have the power push through that 690s up there towards $7.
See, here it goes, 689 right now.
Let me give it a little bit of time here, over 690.
So right now, he has the opportunity to correct his mistake and wean back down the position for the wrong keystroke and then execute the sell that he wanted to do before, just 30 seconds ago, if it was real.
90. Thing's going to break to the upside.
It's 683 by 84. It's the same price. And he is in a position still that he shouldn't be in due to a mistake. And he's smiling. It's not real.
Going to do it. We're going to get that push above $7. Get ready for it. It's coming. We'll take some profit there. I think we'll push above 7. Having trouble there. Almost to 7. 699 seller.
Of course it's going to Heinz, dude.
Holding it down once again. And there's that push above 7, 715. Holy guacamole, friends. Just like that. Push above 7.
Just like that. Okay, so that was the first one. That I don't think is just, it was a good trade. But it's just not real. Doesn't make sense. And then here's the email I got from the other guy on his trade. I'm already up 3,500. Watch me make 7,000. That's like unbelievable. I'd love for people to take my videos and do that. Only one that fucking trades live. Here we go. Watch me make $7,000 on NBEV. Jason Bond pick.
Actually here, I rebought NBEV 10,000 shares at $2.40 into this dip, and sure enough, the company just had fantastic news, and it's off and running.
Okay. He just said he's already up $3,000. So he started the video already up $3,000. So he probably had 5 trades running, waited for one to be profitable, turned on the video, and let's rock and roll.
Actually here, I rebought NBEV 10,000 shares at $2.40 into this dip, and sure enough, the company just had fantastic news, and it's off and running now. The high of the day is 269, and I think we could blow through this area. I'm already up another 7% or $1,700. Again, this is all streaming live in the Millionaire Roadmap. I really want to reinforce, you can watch me as I trade live. Look at that. So there's the sells that I just showed you on the previous video where I locked up 2,404 profit. And here's the rebuy of 10,000 shares into the dip right here. I'm going to go ahead to the real E-Trade account right now and show you with it.
Yeah, but we don't see that, dude. We only see the after effect when you're already up. That's the difference. So Electronium's got this new instant payment system right here. That's an API for businesses. Real nice. You got to call out the people that are the people, you know. Instant donations demo API, very easy to implement. Simultaneous screen capture of iPhone SE sharing on the Electronium iOS app. Right here. Instant payment API. Donations. Generate QR code. 1 Ethereum. Boom. Pay. Scan. Ching. Loading. Confirm and pay. Ching. That's the future, boys. You know what the future is? I didn't show my buddy. Look, see this? Does anybody know what this is? your voice. Anybody know what this is? It's a cold storage wallet. This is where you store all your cryptocurrency. If you don't want to keep it online in your wallet, you put it here. This is called a hard cold storage wallet. And it connects to your computer. And you keep it safeguarded. This has my private keys for all my coins and my money. It's stored right here in this. It's called a treasure. Okay? So my missus is like, well, what if you lose that? Then I'm like, well, all your money is gone. You have to have keep this in safe storage. So in the future, this is what the banks will hold for you. Your hard wallet. They'll store your private keys for you and protect them. That's the role of the banks in the future. And they'll charge a fee for that. The more crypto I have in here that I use the bank to hold for me instead, so I don't have to walk around or worry about someone's robbing me of this, that's what the bank protection is going to be. So people don't get terrorized and robbed and get this stolen from them. Because if they do, you're in big trouble. So the banks are going to store private keys and store people's crypto and be a custodian of money. That's what they should be, not a rip-off of money, which they've become. So that's a hard wallet right there. And that's what happened with stocks today and the trading. Tilray's up $77. Could you imagine shorting Tilray at 20? You're in big trouble. Why you don't short? This guy shorted $280,000. Imagine shorting $280,000 of CGC. Right here, 30 bucks, shorting 10,000 shares. You lost $200,000. Let me go into my trash and I'll show it to you. Stupid William with the shorting. Poor William. Kid'll never learn. And he looks like such a kid too. It's ridiculous. To be slapping that much money on a short position. William. I still got it in my inbox. Yeah, here's one of his things. I'm short 63,000 DRNA. Whatever happened to that one? That was on September 7th. 1648. What was he short at? He's short at 1575, 4,000 shares, and it's down. The RNA went to 18. I guess he didn't win on his short. September 7th. See what day this is. September 6th. There he is. He's short on this day. September 7th. It went up, 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 and up. He lost. Oh well. Shouldn't short. Lucky it didn't do a Cronus or a Tilray. Here we go. Here's another one. I'm short $187,000. 30,000 shares of SUPV at 620 on August 31st. August 31st, right here. August 13th, August 31st. He's short right there. Wonderful. And I went right up. Stupid. So he's short 30,000 shares at 620. Price target 560. So here's a 620. It went to 693. Next day 720. Next day 840. He had 30,000 shares at 6. He lost $2. He lost $60,000. Find out why I went short right there. Good. Find out why you just lost 60 grand. Where's that other one? Here's the email. Look at this email today I got. Today I made $51,942 trading on 4 trades and made nearly $140,000. This Sunday I'll be showing everyone how I did that in a mentoring session. Wonderful. Here's his latest one. He's short this QTT. I had it this morning in my inbox. I don't have it no more. Well, it entertains me, man. He's short these stocks that freaking, all you gotta do is buy every time he shorts, just go the other way. He's wrong every single time. And this one's going higher. Ridiculous. Let's see what else I got in my inbox. Top shelf traders. A forklift operator at Home Depot invested in a Wall Street hack that's so powerful of the largest institution on the planet has paid him $20 million just to catch a glimpse of it. Here's what we could do. You can make $1,000 richer in 15 seconds, $988 richer in 7 seconds. Amazing. Algorithmic prediction. Here's my next email. The green rush, gold rush of the marijuana legalization. Everyone's going to become filthy rich. Get your free report right there. A good one. This guy. Decentralized TV. My next one in my email. Just going down the list. Follow this guy on Decentralized. They had a girl on last night on the pub. Oh, there's Jason. Every freaking commercial. See? Jason, there you are, dude. Let me show you how to trade, but I do it after the fact.
Enjoying my vacations right on the ocean.
See, I'm in the freaking day trade room. I'm in the day trade room with my guys trading every day. He's on the fucking beach.
But I'm running a webinar later today after my family and I come up from the beach that I absolutely want you to attend. This webinar.
Amazing. Little decentralized. There was a new chick on last night on the Bitcoin pub. Where was she? Where is she? Here she is. No, that's not her. I thought it was that. Bitcoin pub. I guess that was it. There she is, this girl. What's up in the Bitcoin pub? She talks weird.
Man, we went to New York City twice. There's a lot of homeless folks up there too. What? Is that a Lamborghini cop car?
She talks so cute, doesn't she?
There's a huge event.
You're cute, honey.
Dude, that is a Lamborghini cop car.
Lamborghini cop car.
Be a cop, but if I got to drive a Lamborghini, I might want to be a cop. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Talk about makes little kids want to be a cop when they grow up.
When I grew up,
It just means you're gonna buy more.
that's how she talks in the beginning. She's supposed like, I'm a badass.
And
Listen.
let's see. Let's go over here to our categories and go to the latest. Because that's how I roll.
That's how I roll.
I like to check in the latest and see what's going on.
I like it going on.
Got some birthdays today.
Kick it, honey.
Bitcoin price trend. Ain't a whole lot of price action going on with Bitcoin lately, but you know what? That just means you're gonna buy more.
Buy more, baby.
DCTV news thread. Y'all should check that out. There's lots of videos getting dropped in there. Bitcoin technical analysis. Good info in there too. You should check out. Watch no crypto mom.
She's cute. I like that channel. And I got my next email spammerino from Kunai. Bulls on Wall Street. Learn how to trade the pot stock frenzy with me. Free training tonight. 2-day course. Reserve your spot with Kunai. That's another good one. What else we got? Next one, iStock. Oh, that's photos. Mark Soberman, net picks. Simple question. Would you like to build a full-time income or barely work part-time? Building a 20-minute per day full-time income. I like that's what I do, buddy. Nice. Bought, oh, he's doing options. September 70 calls for 6, sold for 2, made a $1,400 profit and a 236% return. I'd rather make a 1% return every day and compound it than hit a 235% return in one shot. Because 9 out of 10 times you lose on options. And you hit that one big one, which makes up for it, plus some, but you live a life of misery and gratification 1 out of 10. Ooh. Hello there. Hold on a second. Let me end this thing because it's about time to end. I'll call you right back.
Alright, yeah.
Cool. Nice. Got my peeps. Got some other biz to do. And that's about it. So thanks for watching the Mojo Show. You want to come trade, go to mojodaytrading.com. Click the subscribe. Send me an email, info@MOJO Day Trading. You can come and get the good picks. Peace. Keep it profitable. Pro Trader Mike. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please.